Howdy y'all, Serene here. Just making this quick video to show you what you'll get when you purchase your Serene Lights and the best way to swap designs. With each purchase, you'll receive a thank you note. If you purchase the candle, you'll also get a charger, a remote, with timers for 2, 4, 6, and 8 hours, and 1 candle. I love our candle because it is rechargeable and gives off the perfect glow to cozy up any room. With this unboxing, we also have an additional motif package to show how it will arrive if you order an extra design. This is the way I recommend sliding a different design on. Insert the clasps and make sure the walls have a slight gap. Be careful when you pull out the clasp and the other design so you don't pull on the wood veneer. At the bottom, under the black foam, you'll find the wooden base. And voila, a fully constructed Serene Lights. Now let me show you how I swap designs. I slightly pull apart the design that's already sitting on the glass so I can slide it up. Then we can now grab our already attached design and just slide it down. To have it sit tighter, feel free to push the clasps into their respective openings once the design is in place. Just a tip for the remote, I recommend keeping the plastic tab inserted when you are not using it. This helps preserve the remote's battery life. Check us out at serenelights.com where we have over 30 different designs to choose from, and thank you so much for watching.